Hey guys, I have an awesome Nerf gun collection. So me and Luke have been dying to show you guys some of our favorite guns. Luke's gonna go first.
Okay. Wait, you say you're gonna go first.
Just one at a time.
So, first up, we got zombie crossbow. I know a lot of people want this thing. Because this thing shoots four bullets. Well, it contains 4 bullets. And this is really strong. And this has cool designs like this. The zombie strike thing. And Logan's gonna do one.
So guys, I have this really cool one. It's a barrel break, dual barrel shotgun. Anytime zombies nearby, load it up, they're dead. Now it's Luke's turn. Or is it?
We will never know.
Look at the camera.
Oliver's favorite is this one because he loves machine guns.